The number is 1350 as far as the square footage is concerned, but it feels way bigger because it's got a really open floor plan, plus it's sitting on almost a 6,000 square foot lot. This house has been renovated from top to bottom, really amazing condition. A family could just move right into it. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services. I'm in the Parkview neighborhood 95136 in this gorgeous new listing, 368 Viewpark Circle. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 gorgeously remodeled bathrooms, a totally open floor plan, tons of outdoor space both in the front and in the back. One thing that's really gonna get your attention when you first walk in, these custom wrought iron doors that are absolutely gorgeous. As soon as you open them, you're gonna see this beautiful aquarium that can also be used as a terrarium or a solarium. A beautifully remodeled kitchen that features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets with pull-out shelves and soft close drawers. One of my favorite features about this house is just the windows, right? They're all double pane, but they're also oversized, so tons of light comes in. It's also got really low maintenance flooring with high-end laminate as well as tile floors throughout the whole entire home. Even the doors have a custom glass inlay, a unique feeling, but it's also very elegant. One of the great design features about this house is that it has both an open floor plan for a party when it comes to the living space, but also the barn doors get privacy for the bedrooms. And with a 1,350 square foot house, you probably wouldn't guess that you'd have a nice master suite, but you do. The primary bedroom in this house has 2 closets, one which is a walk-in, plus it has the ensuite bathroom that has been completely remodeled. We also have extremely low maintenance landscaping throughout the whole entire property, turf in the back, and the type of turf that they have, it looks like real grass. Great flat work, including stamped concrete in the patio in the front and the patio in the back, extra storage in the shed, the 2-car garage, which has been completely refinished with textured walls and epoxied floors. It's always important to talk about the capital upgrades. These are the things that really don't show in pictures, but they're very important. We have double pane windows, the roof is in excellent condition, copper plumbing, central AC and central heat. Like a new home, you can just move right in. Much like most of South San Jose, Parkview is one of those neighborhoods that just has a ton of mature trees, which give it really a storybook feel. It's also known for having a lot of parks with tons of walkability. We're just a quarter mile away from Martial Cottle Park, which is this huge county-owned land that's 282 acres, and it'll never be anything else besides a park. We're also close to Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Oak Ridge Mall, where there's plenty of dining and shopping. You're in a great commute location to all the tech jobs that have made the Silicon Valley world famous, like Apple, Google, and the like. And let's not forget that downtown Willow Glen is about a 5-minute drive from here, and downtown San Jose, depending on traffic patterns, is also about 10 minutes away. But who cares about the traffic patterns when you can use the light rail or the Caltrain to get where you want to go? You're only about halfway to Morgan Hill and Gilroy, which have become like their own mini wine countries. Tons of hiking, tons of recreation that can be done from here to there. You're really only a day trip away from Santa Cruz, Monterey, or San Francisco. When it comes to things to do on the weekend, this is a great location. You know, as always, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation of this beautiful house. If you have any questions about real estate, please feel free to reach out to me either by text message or on the phone number that's on the screen.